Hi, this is Jill from WebGrrl Enterprises. For this particular video, I'm working in conjunction with RM Insight. RM Insight and WebGrrl Enterprises are internet development and consulting firms with a special preference for WordPress websites, and we're based in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Today we're looking at a RM Insight client website, the Caboto Centre, here in Winnipeg. The Caboto Centre contacted RM Insight asking for help setting up a way to display their preferred vendors within the banquet and conference section of their WordPress website. It was important to be able to add a graphic logo and a link to the vendor websites, and to be able to write a short description about the vendor too. Because the Caboto Centre maintains their own site for the most part, they've asked us to help them plan out how to do it while letting them actually handle the input work. RM Insight suggested that we use a NextGen Photo gallery for the preferred vendors list and help the Caboto Centre learn how to better use the gallery's built-in functions to get the job done. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your NextGen Gallery photos into preferred vendor pages and add HTML to your preferred vendor details without needing to know HTML. So here we are on the Caboto Centre website. We're actually already on the banquet and conference page. You can see that the Caboto Centre already uses NextGen Gallery, and they have a number of photographs in a number of different sections of their website. What I've done is, what they're doing right now is just using it for photographs. They don't really use it for any other purpose. What I've done is edited one of them and did a little sample of what I'm about to show you how to do. You have your picture, now you have text along the bottom, and you have a link that, as you can see, goes to the Caboto Centre. So this is just a little sample of what you can do. You can obviously put a lot more in there, and now I'm going to show you what you can do, how you can do it in the back end of WordPress. So here we are in the back end of WordPress. I'm actually, I can move this down a little bit, there for a bit. Alright, so you can see I'm on the dashboard. And I'm in the gallery. I've gone into Manage Gallery, and I'm in the galleries, and the one that I suggest you put them into is the Preferred Vendors Gallery, so you can use gallery code number 12. But I'm going to do my sampling under a gallery that already exists, and that's the catering one. So if you go into here, you can see that this is the picture that I did the edits with. And the only difference between this picture and the rest of the pictures is that I've changed the title, and I've added the description and some tags. So now here you can expand this out just like I did. Of course, now I can't fix it again. That's interesting. You can expand it out and you can type a little bit, but if you're not good at HTML, I'm going to show you number 2 in our video here, which is how to add HTML to your preferred vendor details without needing to know HTML. So we'll go back to here. So now, in order to do this, the best thing I can suggest is that you create a new post, but you don't actually post it. So you go into your posts, you create a new one, and you type out the information that you want here in the visual aspect of things. You type out the information that you want to have in the text below the image or near the image. And this part here, of course, is just a link. So you can go ahead and put your link in there and open it up in a new window. That's always a good practice. And now what you do is switch it to HTML, and you copy this, and you go into the window of the gallery down here, and you paste it, and then you save the changes. When you go back to this part here, you have to close it and reload it. Then you can see that the text has changed down here. Now, you'll need to employ some extra strategies to be able to put in paragraph spaces and stuff like that. A future video will cover those kind of things. So there we are, some basic information about how to turn your NextGen Gallery photos into preferred vendor pages, and then how to add HTML to your preferred vendor details without needing to know HTML.